Hi guys, so I was at Pune Comic Con recently, and of course, I had to check out the Intel booth. Honestly, it was pretty awesome. I saw some really cool stuff, so I thought to myself, why not share it with all of you? There were high performance rigs for 1440p and 4K gaming and made for content creation. It was so cool to play the latest games on these PCs powered by Intel processors. I had never experienced such premium gaming stations. Gaming on these was so smooth and quiet too. AI powered stations that make content creation faster and simpler. I'll show you more on this later. And of course, a racing simulator I spent too much of my time on. Okay, so as someone who games a lot, I'm always on the lookout for anything that makes things run faster. And honestly, Intel's got something cooking. I got to try out the new Intel Core Ultra desktop processors, and yeah, they're made for gaming, for content creation, and basically for anything. Even after a full day of gaming, the system stayed cool, quiet, and used less power, all while keeping performance smooth and steady. Conquer games like never before with Intel's most power efficient desktop processors for enthusiast gaming, blazing fast scores, and AI-driven performance, all while delivering cooler and quieter desktop gaming. So here's something I figured out while I was gaming and creating content at the Intel booth. The Core Ultra 9 and Ultra 7 processors, whether you are a gamer or a creator, the Intel Core Ultra processors are the perfect balance of performance for both types of work. So depending on what kind of user you are, you have multiple options to choose from. I'm a bit of an enthusiast, so I prefer the Intel Core Ultra 9 processor. It's the most efficient Intel processor for high performance gaming. However, if you're looking for a boss level desktop for gaming, using less system power at an affordable price, Intel Core Ultra 7 processors have fast cores and AI driven performance, which means cooler and quieter gameplay. Both are great for gaming and will unlock the gaming performance you need with amazing power efficiency. But hey, the fun doesn't end here. I learned a couple of cool secrets while I was at the Intel booth. As a content creator, performance is my top priority. And that's why I appreciate what Intel has done in the latest Core Ultra processors. They have added NPU, or the Neural Processing Unit, in the CPU. It takes care of all AI tasks so your PC runs faster and feels smoother. AI-based video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro and AI-based audio editing in Audacity fully tap into the power of Intel's AI Boost. Let me show you the magic of the NPU and how it makes content creation faster, easier, a whole lot smoother, and efficient for creators. So the first feature we're going to talk about is Adobe Premiere Pro Audio Auto Tag. Usually, sorting through audio clips is a chore, but this game changer. It just knew what was dialogue, what was music, what was sound effects, and organized everything for me. Super quick, super clean. It honestly saved me so much time. Then I played around with Auto Reframe, also in Premiere. I post on different platforms, so resizing content is a regular thing for me. This tool just does it. It figures out the right framing, follows the subject, and keeps the shot focused without me having to tweak anything. Felt like cheating in the best way, honestly. So the real question is, why is it the right time to upgrade for anyone using an older PC? Well, you can dominate every battle with ultra smooth responsive gaming, achieving up to 62% more FPS in certain games. Lastly, I was also amazed at the latest updates Intel Core Ultra had to the connectivity ecosystem. Simplify your setup with native Intel Wi-Fi 7, Thunderbolt 5, and 48 PCI Express lanes, delivering seamless connectivity, lag-free performance, and ultimate customization for gaming, streaming, and content creation. Huge shout out to G-Tech and the amazing builds they had at the booth for all of us to experience, powered by Intel Core Ultra 9 processors. Follow Intel India on Instagram and YouTube to stay updated and be part of more such cool activations from Intel.